Hi people. So for the first time since the Third Mainland Bridge was opened on Saturday 27th February, Saturday 27th February, I'm ascending the slip around from Adekunle towards Oworoshoki, and this would be a review of quality of the road. Now, I am looking to review this road on the basis that this particular slip should have been part of the one repaired, but as you may see with my maneuvering, despite the slip being closed off to traffic for a couple of weeks, for whatever reason known to the Federal Ministry of Works and Housing, we all can see that nothing, absolutely nothing, was done about the bad state of this ascent from Adekunle onto the Adekunle inwards or Oworoshoki. The slip still remains the same, aside maybe the expansion joints which the ministry says they worked on for parts of the bridge that had been in poor state prior to the repairs. They still remain in poor state. Now I'm going to navigate a couple of parts of this road, and you would see for yourself. If you notice, some vehicles ahead of me would drive zigzag for this same reason, because they will be attempting to dodge potholes and bad portions of the Third Mainland Bridge. The hope had been that at least a patch of these bad portions would have been done. So easily to the left, you would see some parts of our screen. Again, to the left of the screen, you can easily see, you can see me, bouncing on a road that has been closed for a better part of 7 months. The last 7 months, this road was opened, this bridge was fully opened on Saturday, the 27th of February. And the reason it was closed partially was, according to the Federal Ministry of Works and Housing, to repair bad expansion joints. We had expected that at least patches of the roads should equally have been paid attention to. I can see that there are some new road markings, which means the Ministry of Works and Housing, Federal Ministry of Works and Housing, is well and aware of the state of the Third Mainland Bridge. The trust is lost when, rather than have the whole stretch repaired during such a very long period of shutdown, 7 months, we still have patches, at least between Adekunle and Oworoshoki. I hope at driving in Lagos was that the whole stretch should have been repaired for the parts that are bad, as opposed to only the expansion joints, which are equally important, extremely important actually. I mean, it's like the health of the bridge. However, this undone parts, our hope is that very soon, and without having to shut down the bridge, that they would equally be given the required attention. So far, for the parts that were repaired on the bridge, starting from Adeniji-Adele, or let me say from Adekunle inwards Adeniji-Adele, and from Adeniji-Adele inwards Adekunle, the parts that were repaired, I would easily score those parts 7/10. However, from Oworoshoki to Adekunle and from Adekunle to Oworoshoki, that was not touched, and the slips and the ramps, I'd say the government has a very long way to go, and those roads are very disappointing. They are in a very bad state of repair, and hopefully it will be repaired really soon. If you have comments with regards to the repairs of the Third Mainland Bridge, which started on July 24th, 2020, and you have reservations about any parts, any of the lanes, any part of the bridge at all, please drop your comments in the comment section. It will be nice for our public officers to know when they come across posts like this, to feel the pulse of commuters and users of these infrastructure that we pay our taxes for. Thanks, and have a safe drive. Cheers.